I woke up with a sty in my eye and a bunch of acne, which you got, like, I don't usually have that kind of stuff on my skin. It's just from stress. And I woke up and couldn't go to my workout because of the awful pain in my bladder and that area. And I'm pretty sure I have a UTI, so I'm gonna call the doctor this morning. We have soffit and fascia coming today, which is one of the final steps for outside of the new house. Joel's back has gotten so bad, and because I'm a little anxious to hurry, I put an ad out the other day for someone to come do the sod. I do not want to put makeup on this. I hate putting makeup on like owies. It's not gonna help, but and it feels worse. Anyway, the guy can start today, and so he's gonna come over, and I'm just like really grateful for a little bit of help. Well, this is very exciting. We have heritage rain gutters. I love having a connection to the people that we're working with. So Jimmy Scablin did our roof in our house, and then he did another patch job for like some of our friends. So he's just like a really well-known, like really nice guy that does roofing, and he does an excellent job, which is like the most important part. Anyway, these guys are kind of like a offshoot of his brand. They were always getting asked recommendations for soffit and fascia, so he's like, all right, I'm gonna start a soffit and fascia company, and this is his soffit and fascia company. Wow, we really have like the whole crew. So this guy does all of our mudding, so he's in the house doing mudding, and then we have the touch-up painters, and I believe we have landscapers.
Yeah. Then you, right?
Are you touching the walls? Lincoln, who wrote this? You? You wrote your name on here? Who did this part over here? Moses did this part?
Moses got this one. This is supposed to be here, but not this.
Yeah.
Just
wow. So then you showed him how to do it right here. Did you know that when you were a teensy tiny baby, he was around? And he did work on our house when you were just a little tiny baby? If you guys want to see the playlist of when we remodeled our house, I'll put that in the description for you guys. Super sad news here. Here's what happened. They went to get started and there is no drip edge. I don't even know what that is, but whoever did the roof a long time ago should have had a drip edge. So if they were to go in and install without this drip edge, you're gonna have stuff going up underneath the roofing, which obviously we want this to be done and done right. We don't do that kind of junk work, so we have to wait, and they'll come back here in 2 days to get that finished. So dang it, I was really hoping for some new soffit and fascia today, but it's all right. We'll get started in 2 days. So I have another, I'm not gonna say coincidence, I'm going to say a very tender mercy. So we've been looking for help on the house for quite a while, and we haven't been able to find anybody. Well, the other day I got an email from someone here in town, and she was like, you know, telling me how sweet her daughter was and how her daughter has seen us working on the house, and she was just really sweet. And I said, hey, why don't you come by? We're painting the house today. Come by and say hi. So the whole family came over. As we got talking, her husband has hung doors, he's done construction, and he's like, you know, my day off is on Monday. He's like, how about I come and help you guys do doors on Monday? So here we are with like the most glorious help ever. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know why you're being so sweet, but we're so grateful to have you here.
Glad I can help out.
They have little kids that are my kids' age, and I'm like, oh great, we've been looking for friends, so can we be friends? Zach, you should feel pretty special, or maybe we should feel pretty special. Joel is revealing secrets to Zach that we haven't told anybody. I come upstairs, I'm like, excuse me, what are you guys talking about? So he must really, really appreciate your help. You're spilling secrets, Joel. So here we are, we have new friends, we have some help, and I feel like the timing couldn't be better. This morning, Joel called his doctor, and the doctor wants to have him do an MRI on his back, just with like what he's been telling him. So we're gonna squeeze an MRI into this day. Lincoln, your mask does not smell like barf. run inside and see if you can find some sun chips. Can you do that?
And my corn dog.
And your corn dog, yes. I hate this gas station. I literally hate this gas station so freaking much. It always has problems. Always. Always. Literally always. I'm a little late following up with Joel. And here he is sitting underneath the thing. Hi. You ready for your CAT scan?
It's an MRI.
Oh, jeez. I'm an idiot. I feel like a complete fool because we're leaving Joel's, what was it? MRI. And my appointment isn't for like another hour and it's like right over here. I cannot even wait one more second. I feel like I am in so much pain. So we're just gonna walk over and just go in early and see if they can get me in. So I wanna know how your thing went.
It was loud and obnoxious. I hate those machines.
Did it hurt?
No, you just lay on a bed and they just bang. It sounds like they're just banging on the sides of it. Ugh.
We're both honestly in so much pain right now and it's ridiculous. Like I feel like it's like this is a dream. This has been a nightmare. The last couple of days has been a nightmare. I swear it's like comical. We're sitting here both just like fighting for who feels the worst.
I think you win.
No, it isn't. Like you should hear Joel. He like can't even breathe. He's like gasping for air because his stomach feels like it's being pinched off and I feel like my groin is being pinched off, so there's that.
This is what your 40s, 30s is supposed to feel like.
Like it's a joke. Us sitting here both just like I'm borderline, like I can't stand it. Like, and it progressed so fast. Started peeing blood. So let's just see what happens. How'd you like the sight of the color of that blood?
Holy cow, that was some
Pee, sorry, the color of my pee.
That was bloody pee.
It's pretty bad. See, it's a bladder infection, so I got some medication for it. And what about you? When are you gonna?
I have another doctor's appointment on Wednesday.
Do you hear how he like, should we get some food?
Yeah,
I don't even feel like I know I'm hungry, but I don't feel like appetized at all.
Yeah, let's go eat something.
This one's yours, Linky. I'm gonna put you right here on the end. We had just a little bit of spaghetti from the other night, and to make it go a little further, I did a can of corn, a can of green beans. It's nothing super fresh, but it is all Mom could muster. Bree took the kids swimming today. That was so wonderful of her.
And I'm so cold.
I know.
How are we gonna eat our corn?
With your fork, silly.
I'm grateful for spaghetti, we're grateful for our corn, we're grateful for our green beans. And maybe these guys are
All right, well, it's not usually a spectacle, but I thought that was really cute, so I made him say it again. Olivia and I were just talking about how are we going to comb out her hair after, you know, swimming and all that. And do you know what I really like about these new combs, Olivia? Is that you can take them in the shower. On the other combs, there's like this puffy thing in there that holds onto water, and like, I just don't like love getting them super wet, but this is gonna be perfect to take in the shower, wash your hair with shampoo, and then when your hair is full of conditioner, use extra conditioner, comb it out in the shower with the conditioner on it. I'm gonna put a link for this in the description because this comb has single-handedly changed my life. All right, Cody's finishing up on the piano. Are you almost, okay, I need you to do a better job than that. Come up to the sink.
Oh, I haven't got toothpaste.
All right, I need you to do a good job brushing your teeth, okay?
This toothpaste is kind. It's all, it's like, so.
Do the best you can, okay? I was going to wait and close the vlog until Joel got home, but honestly, I don't know when he's gonna come home. And it was bizarre. We were like sitting there, I was bawling, and I'm like, I think you need to call the sod. We're supposed to pick sod up in the morning. You need to get it ordered for the guys. And the guy's like texting me and he's like, I need you to order that sod. And it was just like in the middle of our like woes, we were just like, keep working. And Joel is setting window wells so that sod can be laid tomorrow. It has to be done. And he's just like so he like does this. He said, I constantly feel like I'm in a crunch. And the doctor did call us. So we had an appointment, one with a regular doctor, one with his back doctor for Wednesday. In 2 days, and the one doctor was like, I think you need to go to your back specialist. It isn't anything internal, you're feeling pain from your back. So we don't know what that means. Oh, and he did say, he was like, your scans are pretty extensive. He's like, there's a lot of damage. So we already knew there was damage to his back, but I know everyone's 2020 feels this way. It's been a long day, it's been a long week, it's been a long month, it's been a long year. You guys, we're all feeling it. So with that really fun note, I will close the vlog. Goodbye, guys.